Hey my hello guys, it's being Vanshika and today we are going to make a video on everyday glowy makeup look. First I'm going to start with my moisturizer, which is from Derma. I always use this one moisturizer. So guys, it's already summers, so we will apply a gel based primer. It is for all your face. You will just need this much, and on your forehead, nose and chin. Apply it evenly everywhere. With the eye makeup, I have this Swiss Beauty concealer, which is perfect for my shade. It is not too light, not too dark. It is just perfect. We'll apply a little bit on our eyes and blend it out even. A neutral shade of brown, and we'll place it on our eyelid evenly. Guys, I'm done with the eyes. Now I have this BBCC cream. You can use any BBCC cream of your shade and apply it like this. Yes, apply it like this only, like this. Use your hands, okay, for even finish. Use your hands like this and blend it like this, because it's just a cream. You don't need that high coverage. Just apply it like this. Use light concealer, it will just make everything gray. Here on your nose, here and here. And now I will set it with a loose powder like this. बहुत कम लेना है because हमने सिर्फ BBCC क्रीम यूज़ करा है, that is why. And I will take the same shade and do under my eyes like this, more enhanced. And we'll take a highlighter and with a finger we'll just blend it in our inner corners like this. Liquid eyeliner. Yes, you see how good it looks. So now I will apply a nude kajal for a bigger eye look. How pop my eyes are looking, and they're natural as well. Finish off the look with this powder blush like this. Yes, I will not use any contour or anything because we don't need like contour and everything daily. In my daily life I don't ever. So blush is important. Blush should be too much. And it will go here just a little bit, and on this area woolly brush from which we does our eyebrows. Never ever start your eyebrows from here, always start from here. Like I'm filling it from here at first. It is a habit of me now. I have this Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is really good. Like, I'm not even lying about it. It's really good. Just one swatch and see the results. A fixer. So yes guys, this is my most everyday makeup look. Let's just dry it. So guys, you can see how dewy this makeup is looking, how minimal this is looking. It is perfect for office basis, everyday basis. This is my style, how I do my makeup. Few girls like less mascara or less eyeliner or glossy lips, which comes in clean girl makeup looks. So I will make a video on that too, but this is how I do my everyday makeup. So I hope you guys love it. uh, Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, have a nice day.